Bowing a thunder sheet. Coconuts. Water gong. Friction mallet on a tam-tam. Friction mallet on a timpano. Bowing a Kotali on a timpano. Bell peppers.